Hi Taurians, this is your next 10 days reading. I am going to take the day of 20th of May to the 30th or the 31st. You can add one more day. I am going to look at the energies which are going to come in this period for you. These energies are seen by the tarot cards. These tarot cards fell out for you while I was divinating for you, and I have clarified in the same manner. I have taken only those cards which fell out on their own while I was divinating. So I have got a picture in front of me regarding your energies. Before I start your reading, I am going to read out a card from the Angels of Abundance deck. It has got a message for you. It is saying, focus on your priorities. Where you put your focus is where you receive your outcome. Your priorities are calling to you, which may produce a feeling of anxiety unless you give them the time and attention they and you deserve. Even a small amount of time devoted to your priorities will help you feel better and more confident. So, this is the message for you from the Angels of Abundance deck. Focus on your priorities. So, let's see what energies are coming in terms of your tarot cards. The first energy is judgment. Judgment means a time of transformation, a big transformation, because it is a major arcana card. It is saying that the deadline is here, the changes will happen, you will be taken out of your lowering energies, low vibrational energies. So things which are bothering you, like illness, like uh, uh, bad codependent situations, negativity, blocks in your life, it is going to take you out of that situation. It is, the card says that you will be taken out of your shallow grave. You are in a shallow grave. Some of you are really affected by lower energies. So there is this happens cyclically, and judgment is taking place right now in your life, and it is going to transform you, take you out of that bad energy through some processes, some healing, some people, some situation, something will contribute to this energy of judgment, and you will be taken out of this negativity, and sometimes it is stagnation, so you will be taken out of that. I am seeing a King of Wands is here. This could be either your energy, or it is someone of the fire sign around you. This could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius who is around you, who is going to contribute to the judgment situation. You will be taken out of your stagnation for sure. That is what is going to happen for you, or you will take up this energy of the King of Wands. This is leadership energy. This is charismatic energy. This is someone who can control his or her life, has total domination over life. So you will be coming in this captain kind of energy, the energy of a boss. You will boss over your own life. That is what I am seeing. You will be taking yourself towards positivity. That is what I am seeing. So Taurians, it's a good news for you that you will be taken out of bad energies for sure. So as you go forward, I am seeing that you were in a situation which was stagnating. Yes, you were stagnating. You were doing some work, if it is to do with your job or with a relationship. You were making efforts. You were trying to do grow this tree. You were trying to grow this tree, but this tree stopped somewhere. This tree stopped somewhere. So in terms of money, the money stopped, and it was like it plateaued. So now is the energy. Angels are saying that you have to take decisions regarding changes in your life, changes of towards things which are not growing. So you cannot keep doing shallow talks. So if it is a relationship, if you want to change a relationship, upgrade a relationship, if you want to go towards a new relationship, if you want to do a new job, if you want to do a new business, want to change the scenario about your money, you cannot keep on doing at working on it as at a shallow level. So you are practicing kind of detachment which is unreal, because you are not detached, you are connected to it. So you need to take some action regarding a love life, regarding a job life, regarding something, and understand the depth of that situation, And how to make those changes? When you look at it, carefully and in depth, and you acquire some knowledge about it, then only you will be able to understand what you need to do. So the perspective has to change, your behavior has to change from a shallow level or a level of fear, like you are making all your decisions based on some fear, based on some thinking of a result, that what will happen if I do this, what will happen if I do that. So you have to come out of that, think carefully in a liberated manner. That is what angels are telling you. I am seeing that some of you are in an independent energy of three of cups reverse. This means that you are spending your time in indulging with friends, maybe indulging in your independence, and you are forgetting what has to be done. So there is this casual energy which is coming in. This is saying that this can prove harmful for you. You have to be aware of people around you who can trick you. So there is this three of cups energy. This can also mean that a third party relationship which can go awry, you can go towards that. But whatever is the bad energy, whatever is the energy that is low vibrational, this can also mean that you had a bad experience with someone, could be that in a third party. So what is happening is you will be able to come out of all these low vibrational stagnant energies or energies that block you. You will be able to clear away obstacles. I am seeing healing happening in your life, negotiations happening in your life. If you were in a problem regarding your job, if you were in a problem regarding your love life relationship, you are going to go towards a situation of calm. You are going to go towards a situation of healing. If you were not well, three of cups reverse can also mean that you are going through an illness. If you are feeling ill, you are going to get better, because healing will happen for you, and you will be able to get over the obstacle situation. I am seeing some of you going towards healing by journeying towards it, physical journey towards it. So you are taking the rite of passage. Some of you are going towards calm, conducive, better, healthy and safer atmosphere. That is what I am seeing. I am seeing that for some of you, it could be a distance, prospecting towards a distance. Some of you want to go to a distance. Some of you are connecting with a distant partner. Some of you are you know in a situation where you are prospecting for new jobs, prospecting for a new house, prospecting for a new life. That is what I am seeing, wanting to plan about a new world, new situation, new life. That is what I am seeing. I am seeing that you want to go back home. Some of you want to go away from home. There is a feeling that you need to expand towards a global community. Some of you are also looking at a or at a very simple level. This can mean that you are wanting to buy a family house. That is what I see. So the sun will come, situation of progress, situation of recovery, situation of joy and happiness through children, situation of health is coming in your life, my dear Taurian. You will be in good health, you will be in joy, you will be in happiness. Some of you are getting this some joyous news, name and fame, and acceptance by your community. The healing will take place because of this. Maybe something will be happening in your life which will give you lot of joy. That is what I am seeing. I am seeing that some of you will go towards something, some new situation, and start working on a new thing. You might be getting a new opportunity, you might be studying for something new, you might be training for something or making efforts towards a new relationship. That is what I am seeing. Angels are saying that you will be guided, you will be guided by the star. Divine intervention will take place. You should have faith, you should have optimism in your life, and the stars will guide you towards your goals. I am seeing some of you restoring your heart situation. Some of you are going through a heartbreak. Some of you had a problem in the recent past. Some of you are seeing lot of painful situations around you. Some of you are in a community wherein you are a doctor, or you are in some uniform service, so you are seeing lot of heartbreaks around you, or you are going through a heartbreak, but your Taurian energy is coming in, Hierophant energy is coming in, which will take you towards a higher spiritual understanding of the whole situation, and you will be creating a situation which will mend your heart, which will mend other people's heart as well, because this is a higher energy. The Hierophant is a higher collective energy. You might be giving solace, or you might be providing restoration and order, or giving spiritual lessons or religious lessons to people, which will help them to get over heartbreak. That is what I am seeing. Angels are saying someone will come to you, could be of the water sign, or someone who is having lot of love and compassion, who will be bringing in new love in your life. That is what I see. Could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or could be anyone who has lot of compassion. This kind of new situation, new love situation is happening for you. So from a heartbreak, you will restore yourself, and then you will be going towards a new love. That is what I am seeing. Angels are advising that the situation is still not clear. A glimmer of knowledge is there, or someone like this high priestess will be in your life. Someone will give you knowledge, someone will give you some advice, or you will find inner instincts in full play right now. So you will feel that that there is wisdom in you, or you will take decisions by your gut instinct, because wisdom sometimes does not come. It comes with experience. Wisdom comes with experience. So the high priestess energy is saying that more knowledge, more depth, more understanding of every situation is required in your life. It is saying that something will happen in your life which will give you a gut feeling to go towards a new and revolutionary initiative that you are wanting to take, or you will take. It is against your character, but you will be taking some glimmer of knowledge and going towards something which will be a leap of faith. So it is totally against your Hierophant energy. It will be breaking some rules, taking on an adventure, and taking on some new initiative and going towards something new. Could be a new love, could be a new religion for some of you, could be a marriage for some of you, could be an association with a new kind of business or adventure. That is what I am seeing. So something new is going to take place, which has a potential from 0 to infinity. So something good is going to happen for you. That is what I am seeing. Life will be restored, everything will be good. I am actually seeing a very good situation for you, my dear Taurians. So that's it from my side. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have personal problems, if you want me to see your specific energy situation in love, in career, or in relationships, you can come to me and book a reading. You can leave in a request in the comment box, and I will tell you how to book my readings, my paid readings, because I give my time, I give my energy to you. So that's why I charge for the readings. So if you want a paid consultancy from my side, you can contact me through the comment box. And if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe and give support to the channel. Bye bye.